Good morning and Jai Hind. In last video, we have started learning about active and passive voice. Now let us proceed in the same topic. We have few rules regarding the conversion of active to passive voice. So let us discuss each of them. So the first case, when the active active voice is in simple present tense, where a verb is in first form. Then when we need to convert that sentence into a passive voice, then in place of verb, first we have to write is or are as per the subject, and we have to add the third form of the verb. We can understand this with the help of an example. He writes a letter. Here, this is the simple present tense. So, as I've told you, that the place of the subject and object gets interchanged when we convert the sentence into passive voice. So, the letter occupy the space of the subject, comes at the subject's place. So, a letter is a singular here. That's why is has been written after the letter, and the third form of the verb write is written by him. For he, we have to write him at the end of the sentence. So the first sentence is in active voice, while the second one is in passive voice. Similarly, we can there's one more example over here. They sell radios. Radios, that is the object in the sentence, comes at the place of a subject, radios, as it is a plural. That's why R is to be written after that. And the third form of sell is sold by. After that, for they, we have to write them. So the sentence they sell radios has been converted into its passive form. Now the second case, when the sentence is in present continuous tense. That means we can identify by looking at the sentence where is or are is present with the verb, and there would be ing at the end. This shows that the sentence is in present continuous tense. So when we convert the sentence into passive form, we have to write is or are as per the subject plus being, being, we have to write after that, and the third form of the verb is to written after that, just like in the previous case. So the same example I have taken here, but the tense has been changed. It has been in present continuous tense. As we can see, he is writing a letter. Is writing shows that this is a present continuous tense. So to convert this, again the object in the sentence, a letter, has to be placed in the beginning, and as a letter is a singular here, that's why is has to be written. And as we have seen the rule that being, being, is to be written after the linking verb, then the verb's third form of write, that is written by him, as we have seen in the previous sentences. Similarly, the next example is here. They are selling radios. Are selling shows that this is a present continuous tense. So to convert this, the object radios comes in the beginning in the place of the subject, and as radios is a plural, so R has been written after that, and after the linking verb we have to write being, because of this is a continuous tense, that's why we have to write being, and then the third form of the cell, that is sold, and for they we have to write them. Now the third case, that is of present perfect tense, which can be identified by has or have in the sentence with the third form of the verb. So to convert this into a passive form, we have to write has or have as per the subject. That means if a subject is singular, we have to write has, and if a subject is plural, we have to write have. After that, we have to write been, B-E-E-N, been, and the third form of the verb. Here you can see the example. He has written a letter. Has written. Has shows that this is a perfect case, present perfect case. And written is obviously the third form of write. So to convert this in the just like the previously we have done, we have to place the letter at the beginning, and a letter is again a singular one, that's why has is to be written, and after that been is to be right for the perfect tense, and third form of the verb that is written by him for he is to be used in a sentence. Similarly, next one more example is here. They have sold radios. As they is a plural, that's why have has been written here. So by converting this into a passive form, radios has to come at the subject's place. Radios, radios is a plural, that's why have is to be written, and after that been, B-E-E-N, been is to be written here. The third form of sell, sold, and after that by, them is to be used for they.